Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and today I am going to show you how I DIY'd this Pinterest inspired home sign. The process was actually quite easy. It only took 2 evenings for my husband and I to get this done, and it looks so stunning in my dining room. So if you want to see how I completed this project or just get some inspiration to start yours, keep on watching. I purchased these letters over on Amazon a couple of months ago. I would say sometime towards the end of last year, and I'm finally getting to open them. So, this is a very exciting day for me. I do recommend these letters. The quality of them is really good, and they look amazing on the wall. For this project, I will be using white chalky paint, and this is the brand Valspar, and you can find this at Lowe's. This is my go-to chalk paint. I've done various projects around my house using this paint, and I can say that it is quite durable. And aside from that, this brand has a great color selection. I only purchased 3 letters because the O in home, I'm going to make that an interchangeable letter. That way I can change it out with the seasons. So I gave the 3 letters that I purchased 1 coat of chalky paint. So, as always, it's not mom life if you don't have a project helper, and my daughter decided that she wanted to help me paint. Of course, what child doesn't want to paint? It definitely makes the project move along a little bit slower, but I do enjoy these moments with her. I will be staining the wood plank that these letters will be resting on, and I mixed 2 colors of stain, and you can see them pictured here, Jacobine and Ebony, and I used equal parts of each. So if you have a recycled tin can, this worked amazing for me. I was able to mix the 2 colors in this can. By the time I got to this part of the project, it was dark outside, so I wasn't able to film myself staining outdoors, but I will show you what the color looks like. This color is so beautiful. We are so happy with the way that it turned out. It looks amazing against the white letters. It's exactly what I was looking for. As I mentioned earlier, the O in home will be interchangeable. So my first O is going to be a heart, and my husband cut this out for me and he did such a great job with it. I really like it. And I will be painting this heart red, and the color that I used is called Red Apple, and this is an acrylic paint that I purchased at Walmart, and the finish was actually good, so I was very pleased with the way that it turned out. Now I'm going to be measuring the letters up against the wood just to make sure that they are even from top to bottom and side to side. My husband was able to brad nail these into the wood plank for me, which made this project go so much faster, but you can also wood glue them on if you don't have a brad nailer. I took a hammer and just hammered in any brad nails that may have been sticking out a little too much, and I think it was only that one that happened to. Lastly, I'll be putting the heart onto the wood plank with command strips, and so this will enable me to make this an interchangeable piece on this home sign. And that is it. We are done with this project. I could not be happier with the way that it turned out. It is exactly what I envisioned, and it is so, so meaningful. Huge thank you to my husband for making this project so much easier. It looks so beautiful hanging in my dining room, and I hope it's something that my kids will have etched in their heart forever. So if you like this project, give it a big thumbs up, and I really hope that this encourages you to get your project started today.